Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Fairycorn from the Fall Guys game. So let's get started. To draw this super cute character from Fall Guys, let's first start by drawing an oval for the face. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve. And I'm just going to round it off to create my oval. And connect at the bottom. There, have an oval in. Then I'm going to come in here about this area, a little bit lower, and draw a circle for draw so cute eyes. And same thing on the other side. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come here with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So in the original character design, this is much longer. It's a taller oval and the eyes are just two vertical ovals. So I had to make mine a little bit wider because I have to fit in some draw so cute eyes that I wanted to put in here. So that's why my face here is a little bit flatter. So hopefully you love my version, but if not, definitely make it taller and just put two ovals right here for the eyes. Okay, so we have that in, and I'm just going to come up here, two small little curves for on top of the eye, and then now we can come right on top, right in the center. We're going to draw a curve for the horn. So about right here, right in the center, and I'm going to go up straight for the first band of color. So it's going to be straight, and then I'm going to connect it. And then now we can draw the angle. So find your center, go straight up, say about right here. And I'm just going to round off my tip and bring this all the way down. Same thing on both sides. Then from there, I'm just going to come across and just draw some bands. And one more. Okay, so that's the basic horn in there. Now we can draw the head. So I'm going to come about right here. And same thing on the other side. And I'm just going to start to draw a curve that comes round and close to the edge of my face. So if you're using a pencil, definitely draw this curve first before you put in the horn. So about right here, same thing. And bring down a curve for the body. Okay, so we're just going to bring this down. Cute little simple shaped body, like a little pill, I guess, I would say. And let's bring it down a little bit more. Okay, so I'm pretty even on both sides, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve all the way across. And then I'm just going to pop it out a little bit and come down with a line. So this is going to be the beginning of the skirt for our tutu. And draw another curve all the way across. Then we can start to draw the tutu. So from there, let's pop out a curve. And same thing here. Pop out another curve. About that long. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves. Okay, so let's say here. Just come around. And one more. There. And then we can come in here and just draw some curves here and there if you like for some crease lines. And then let's finish the body. So just imagine this coming through and it's going to pop out about right here. Same thing here. So right here. And we're just going to create a curve underneath for the bottom. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the feet. So they're ballet shoes, so cute. So about right here, just gonna make sure I'm centered. So I will give myself 2 points right here. And then from there, let's come out, curve, and I'm making sure I'm not going to go past my center, but right there and connect. Same thing over here. So curve it out. And connect. So let's make them ballet shoes. So let's come right here and we're going to draw a curve and one band right here and then crisscross. So first one going this way and then another one to finish it off. So same exact thing on the other side. Okay, there. Now for the arms. So kind of where the eyes are, the bottom of the eye, I guess. I'll come out and about right here, I'll start to draw the arm. So nice and simple, just curve it out. Just past the tutu and just imagine coming through about right here in this area, and I'll draw a thumb, nice brown big thumb, and the fingers. And connect. So same thing on the other side. So kind of where the eyes end, about right there. And just like the other side, past the tutu. And about right here. So we just want to make sure it ends about the same area. So my thumb will be about right here. And my fingers. There. Okay, so now finally, oh, I almost forgot the mane. So right here, let's add some color up right here. So I'm just going to pop out these curves. One strand that comes out. Let's stack them. So maybe another one down here. And one more. And curve it out. There. Okay, so then now let's finally draw the wings so we can make it a fairy. So about right here, we'll pop out a wing. We have butterfly wing, one big curve, and then another even bigger curve, and tuck it in. And if you like, let's put in some details right here, very lightly. Just 1, 2, or you can do this when you're coloring it so it's not so dark with a Sharpie. I just wanted to show you what you could do with the wing. And same thing on the other side. So go right here. So same thing. One big curve, and we're going to end it right here. And then let's come in here with the details again. 1, and 3. And that is pretty much it, except of course, let's add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Fairycorn from this really funny and cute game called Fall Guys. Hopefully you love how this character, my version of this character turned out. I made it fun and easy for you to draw along with me. If you have other characters you want me to draw from this new game, definitely let me know in the comments below. And remember to please subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you haven't already, so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.